Welcome! Here are 10 of the rarest indoor plants collectors dream about. Let's count down from 10 to 1. Quick note: rare can mean limited habitat, slow growth, tricky propagation, or simply huge demand. Please buy nursery-propagated plants, never wild-collected. Number 10. Hoya polyneura, the fishtail Hoya. Look for those paired leaves shaped like fishtails. Give it bright, indirect light and let the mix dry slightly between waterings. Number 9. Alocasia azlanii. This jewel Alocasia has dark, metallic leaves with pinkish veins. Warmth, high humidity, and evenly moist, never soggy, soil are key. Number 8. Philodendronbillietiae. It's known for long, arrow-shaped leaves and bright orange petioles. Support it to climb and keep it in airy soil with steady moisture. Number 7. Variegated Rhaphidophora tetrasperma, often called variegated mini Monstera. The marbled white sections grow slowly and can burn, so use bright, filtered light and gentle watering. Number 6. Dioscorea elephantipes, the elephant's foot plant. It's a rare caudex with a cracked turtle shell base. Keep it in gritty soil, bright light, and water sparingly during dormancy. Number 5. Nepenthes hamata, a highland pitcher plant with dramatic toothed peristomes. It wants cool nights, high humidity, and pure water. Think rain or distilled. Number 4. Anthurium warocqueanum, the queen Anthurium. Those velvety, dangling leaves can get huge indoors. Give it high humidity, gentle airflow, and a loose, chunky mix. Number 3. Monstera deliciosa Albo variegata. Each leaf unfurls with unique white sectors, and that variegation makes it slower and pricier. Bright, indirect light helps keep the white stable. Number 2. Monstera obliqua, one of the most misunderstood plants online. True obliqua has extremely thin leaves with huge holes and needs near terrarium humidity to thrive indoors. Number 1. Philodendron spiritus sancti. Its long, narrow leaves and limited origins make it a collector's grail. Warmth, high humidity, and bright shade help it thrive indoors. That's the top 10 rare indoor plants. What's your dream plant? And which one should make the list next? Comment below and follow for more plant countdowns. Until next time, happy growing!